How to log out Spotify app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In this video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can log out of Spotify app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log out of the Spotify application, you can see that if I open it up, I'm currently logged into one of my accounts. So if I want to log out, basically I just need to tap the gear icon from the very top right hand side of the screen, which is the settings icon. Then once you come to the settings page, you can see I have my premium account over here, and then if I want to log out, all I need to do is just scroll down to the bottom, all the way to the bottom obviously, and once you scroll down to the bottom of the screen, you'll find the button that says logout. So all you have to do is just tap the logout button. Then as you can see, you'll be automatically logged out. Now if you want, you can log in with Google, Facebook, or you can log into some other accounts respectively. And hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.